In this video, I'll show you how to create a Crypto.com wallet account. First, download the Crypto.com app on your smartphone. You can find it in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Sign Up to begin creating your account. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password. Crypto.com will send a verification email to confirm your address. Open the email and tap the confirmation link to continue the registration process. After verifying your email, the app will ask you to provide some basic personal information. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. To complete the account setup, you'll also need to go through identity verification by uploading a valid government-issued ID and taking a quick selfie. Once the verification process is approved, your Crypto.com wallet account will be ready to use. You'll then be able to deposit funds, buy or sell cryptocurrencies, and manage your crypto directly from the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.